Welcome back guys, welcome to another video of KW Tech official channel. In this video we are going to show you guys how you can easily show icons on desktop in Windows 10. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is just right click on and go to view and click on show desktop icons. If it's check, that's mean it's showing. If it's unchecked, that's mean it's not showing on your desktop. Similarly, you can check this option and you have your desktop icons if they are hidden. And one more thing that we want to add in this video is that if you have these three icons on your desktop and you want to hidden, if you want to make these icons hidden, so we are going to show you guys. Just right click on it and go to personalize, and after that go to theme and then click on desktop icon settings. And here you see a bunch of options. You have to uncheck the boxes that you don't want to show on your desktop. Just click on apply and OK. And as you see, these icons are hidden from your desktop. And similarly, if you want that these icons are not displaying on your desktop and you want on your desktop, just right click on it and go to personalize, then theme, then desktop icon settings, and just check these items. And after checking, click on apply and OK. And here you see you have your desktop icons on your desktop. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech Official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.